Welcome to the Auto Expert. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Kimera EVO38 car. That's not just a mode of transport, but a revolutionary statement in automotive engineering. The Kimera EVO38 makes an unforgettable impression from the first glance, with its bold, aerodynamic lines and aggressive stance. Crafted from a sophisticated blend of carbon fiber and advanced aluminum alloy, every curve and contour has been meticulously designed not only to captivate, but to optimize airflow, reducing drag while enhancing downforce for unparalleled performance. Underneath its striking exterior lies a marvel of modern engineering, an innovative powertrain that marries a high-revving 5.2-liter V12 engine with an advanced hybrid system, producing in excess of 1,000 horsepower. This potent combination propels the EVO38 from 0 to 60 in pass in less than 2.5 seconds, and pushes the limits with a top speed soaring past 350 km/h. The precision-engineered transmission, paired with an intelligent all-wheel drive system, ensures that this tremendous power is delivered smoothly and effectively, offering a driving experience that is as exhilarating on a racetrack as it is refined on everyday roads. But the Kimera EVO38 isn't just about raw power. It's a showcase of futuristic technology that redefines modern motoring. Its active aerodynamic features, including smart spoilers and dynamically adjusting air intakes, work in tandem with an AI-driven adaptive suspension system. This system continuously monitors and reacts to driving conditions, guaranteeing optimum grip and handling, whether you're carving through a tight corner or cruising on a long straight highway. Inside, the cockpit is a masterclass in luxury and innovation, boasting a fully digital instrument cluster, an augmented reality head-up display, and an infotainment system designed to integrate seamlessly with your digital life. Every detail, from the handcrafted finishes and premium materials to the ergonomically designed sport seats, has been carefully curated to elevate both comfort and performance. Safety and sustainability also take center stage in the EVO38. Advanced driver assistance features including collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control work together to create an environment where high performance meets cutting-edge safety technology. Complementing these are carbon ceramic brakes, engineered to deliver consistent high-level stopping power, ensuring that control is never compromised even at extreme speeds. Moreover, the hybrid architecture of the powertrain doesn't only offer remarkable efficiency, it also sets a new standard for reduced emissions in the realm of supercars, demonstrating that high performance and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. With its limited production run, the 2025 Kimera EVO38 is destined to become a true collector's item. It represents a leap forward in automotive innovation, where art, technology, and engineering converge to redefine what a supercar can be. This isn't merely a vehicle, it's a bold vision of the future of driving, crafted for those who demand excellence in every aspect of performance and design. Thank you for joining me on this comprehensive look at the groundbreaking 2025 Kimera EVO38. I'm the Auto Expert, and I can't wait to bring you more insights and the latest updates from the cutting edge of automotive excellence.